This is to tell you happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Sorry I missed your first. No, it's my first. Missing your birthday for the first time since I've been living. Bye, Daddy. Miss you. See you later. You see that?
Say kisses. Throw him a kiss, girl. Say, wait.